Yes. So the type of mindset that you have to remove the fear that stops us from being able to step into the unknown. Fear is what blocks us and stops us from being successful in anything that you set your mind to do. Fear is what stops you from doing it. Whatever you set your mind to do is going to be something fearful that's going to stop you from doing it. Oh, I want to move to this particular state, but you don't move because you don't know anybody out there. I don't have a support system out there. I don't have a job out there. So all of those different things are things that your mind puts out based on the fear that you have of going into the unknown. I don't know if I can do tech sales because I don't know if I can talk on the phone. I don't know if I can do X, Y, and Z. But they'll train you to do those different things. And yes, I do believe though, it is a certain personality that you have to have in order to be in tech sales. So if you're a very introverted person, then I don't think tech sales would be the right avenue for you. A non-customer facing role, something IT help desk, back office, on the back end, network security, things that don't have to do with talking to people is more of what an introverted person would probably be more successful at. But an extroverted person who doesn't mind talking to people, striking up conversations with strangers and things of that nature, that stuff tech sales leans into that type of personality. But even with a person that has that personality, you have to stop allowing fear to dictate your movements, because when you are fearful of something, which everybody will be, because that's just a human thing, a human characteristic is to be afraid, because there are things out here that will make you afraid, but you can't allow the fear to stop you from overcoming. So you have to challenge that fear. Not that you won't ever be afraid, but you have to challenge the fear so that you can overcome. And when you challenge the fear and you actually overcome, then that just gives you more strength, more confidence to challenge the next obstacle that's in your path for you to be able to overcome that.